And then you were asking about 45, I believe. So for 45, I think the mother or the parent function. I was going to say mother function. I think the parent function looks like this, where this is the base of x, and then over here this number. Oh, here we go. This number is actually stretching it. So if to make it easier, watch. I'm going to graph 2 to the x power. And one thing I would tell my students, whenever you're graphing these, you always want to try these 2 points. Okay, you want again, these are our x's and these are our y's. You want to always choose, actually, and then -1 also. There was 3 points we would always choose. Let x equal 0, let x equal 1, and let x equals -1. Because when we let x equal 0, 2 to the 0 power, well, that's just 1. Okay. And then when we would let equals 1, well, 2 to the first power, well, that's just 2. And then when we let x equal 2 to the -1 power, well, 2 to the -1 power is just 1/2. Those are real easy to figure out. And then we could actually graph those. 0, 1 would be here. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2 would be here. And then -1, 1/2 would be here. And then based on, because this is an exponential function, then you can say, okay, well, I know the rest of the graph kind of looks like that. So this is f of x equals 2 to the x power, right? So that's this one. Well, what they do is they take it and then multiply it by 4. So they take 2 to the x power and multiply by 4. Well, this 2 to the x power is your y values. So what they're really doing is they're taking these y values and multiplying by 4. Right? So when you have this, instead of having 0, 1, we have 0, 4. And look at the graph. 0, 4 is there. Instead of having 1, 2, it would be 1, and then multiply this by 4, 8. Here's 1, 8. And then again, instead of having this one, -1, 1/2, when you multiply 1/2 by 4, you get 2. So -1, 2. Here's -1, 2. Right? And that's this graph. See, this one, this is the original one. You should be able to, you should know how to graph this. And then this guy is just taking that guy and multiplying it by 4. So it's making it go up faster, 4 times faster. Oh man, I should have looked at my screen. I'm sorry about that. So here's the rest of it. Here's my screen, and that's what I was talking about. But anyway, here's 2 to the x power, has these points on it. When you multiply it by 4, what it does is it changes these y values by 4. 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 1/2 times 4 is 2. And then these are your new points on this graph, right? So that's what this number in front, that's what this number in front does. It either makes stuff go up faster, or it makes stuff go down slower. It actually flips stuff upside down if it's negative also. But anyway, hopefully that makes sense. Sorry about that. I did better on my other videos.